Ready, steady, go! Go on then, you'll go. Running out the way. Go on then, quick. Whee! Yeah! No way. Good morning, ladies. So it's Christmas Eve, and if you haven't seen my Instagram, please go and have a look at that. I just did a little like video clip thing about our plans for Christmas this year, but I'll just say it again for you guys if you guys don't have Insta. Basically, I've just woken up feeling rough as hell, and I look so ill. I was at work yesterday and I took my temperature and it was like 37.4 and I was tachycardic and oh goodness, honestly guys, so I just want to eat like a whole pot of vitamin C tablets. And Poppy's here to see me with next to a snotty tissue. We're keeping it real, guys, keeping it real. I've never not kept it real on this channel, really. I'm just always, you know, honest with you guys. So today I need to take everything out of the freezer to defrost it, and I find that if I do that it like cooks a lot quicker on Christmas Day. So I've got the turkey out and that was out yesterday, so I now need to put the turkey in the fridge, which I should have done yesterday but I didn't because I had to go to work and I was just lazy, and also I was really worried that it wouldn't defrost in time. Kids have also let me have a lie until 9, which was so sweet of them. I'm so blessed, guys. So we're going to eat now all the chocolate from our advent calendars ready for tomorrow. Hi Lily, say hi. So this is my little kind of day in the life on Christmas Eve of what we do. Wish I looked better, but I don't. And yeah, let's get on with the day. Good morning. Are you playing with your shapes? Good job.
Mummy.
Yes, darling. Oh, hi, Harry. Where are you?
A really funny video
No
on
way.
YouTube, and it's about scrap mechanic, and it's the new piston update that came out a while ago.
Hi. Are you happy to be in the video?
At least I think that's what it said.
You're rubbing Mummy's hair. Good boy. Mummy's not very well today. Mummy, poorly girl. Mummy, poorly. This is what we've got for Christmas this year. We have a boneless stuffed turkey breast joint from Iceland. This is all from Iceland, guys. So Christmas jewels, this year they've done like really cute sprouts and carrots and in like a chive butter, which is really cute. These are actually taken out of the packet, but they are our Yorkshire puddings. Pork and cranberry and orange stuffing parcels. Pigs in blanket, but like the posh version. Rustic chunky roasting veggies. And our goose roast potatoes. Before anyone comes at me with the whole like there's lots of homeless people and homeless shelters and things like that, we have a very close family friend who works alongside them at the food bank, so don't come at me guys because we do support the homeless. I actually read something that's super interesting on Facebook, and I don't like to jump on the bandwagon and like jump on kind of and oh I agree with this and let's put my 2 cents in, but I don't know, I feel like 2018 was kind of a year of people finding everything really offensive and anything you do is really like critiqued. So I especially found it on my YouTube channel. It is really, really hard, guys. And this is the reason why I haven't done like what I bought my kids for Christmas this year, because people will just have something to say about it. So it almost like ruins the excitement almost. Hi ladies. Okay, so it's been a few hours now and I've done some tidying and some cleaning and just basically doing the rest of the presents, and we've now got all the presents in the car ready to take to Matt's mum's, and I've done my hair and my makeup and we are just about ready to go now. We are so excited. Kids are super excited and I'm really, really feeling it this year. I really am, because last year I had to work and we had to kind of eat the Christmas meal at about like 11 o'clock, and I don't know, I don't really want to eat like a heavy meal at 11, but anyway, so this year it's going to be completely different. My parents quickly popped over and they're coming over again tomorrow, but yeah, no, it's going to be a really, really good day. So we're going to open some presents at Matt's mum's now, and then tomorrow you will see us, so Harry's in the bottle. So that is all the footage that I have between Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me for free for more videos. I'll be doing a pregnancy test, I think on the 27th or 28th of December, and I'll see you then. Bye, ladies!